This video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the fake survey alerts that are related to the site Minedomax.live. This site Minedomax.live is totally fake and very deceptive. It tries to mislead people and to make them participate in a fake survey. Minedomax.live tells that you have a chance of winning some top gadget like Apple iPhone 13 Pro or some other device. The truth is that it is a mistake to actually participate in these fake surveys. Such fake surveys try to gather a lot of your personal details, your name, your surname, email address, and other information. So don't share your personal data through such fake surveys. Simply leave that page. What I recommend you to do is researching the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its latest version on the official page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then start researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.